Well, here is the FOMO M2 printer, and we're gonna go to the FOMO app here, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna print this label here. So let's cancel there, and we're just gonna go up here to the top with the printer option, and then proceed to print. And now we'll go ahead and proceed to print here. And as you can see, it printed out our label. So it works pretty well.
¿Están por tutti?
Sí, es la.